Hi everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back.
The night before
today is Wednesday night, and tomorrow we're hiking the volcano. Hi everyone. Good morning. Today is Thursday, volcano day. Here we are. We're terrified, scared, all the things.
But excited. It's gonna be so pretty.
We leave in 15 minutes, and we're finishing packing stick, of course.
It was a rule.
Yes.
Pack stick.
You had to. So, yes. See you soon.
Okay. Don't worry, guys. We've got the big pack.
Help me.
She's helping me with the hip straps to make sure that my back does not go out halfway on the mountain.
Yep.
There it is. That's the lesson of the day.
We just signed up to add another 3 hours onto our 7-hour hike. We had to go see another volcano, of course.
Hiking our tacos.
So we are now doing a 9 or 10 hour.
You're still gonna do it?
No, it depends on what it looks like up there, because I think no.
Wait, can you do one? In the moment,
I was like, yes.
I was like, yeah. I mean, we're out here, base camp of Acatenango. I'm in a cloud. We're not at the base camp. I'm wrong. Okay. Just everybody, just rag on me.
Okay. This is Zach's full fit. Make fun of him all you want.
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Hey, hi.
Here with Adelaide.
Hi guys.
And Beach.
We've hiked so far.
It's been approximately 1 minute.
It's been so hard. I've had enough. Also, our guide is
Everyone, here with Zach.
I say we should eat here on our way down.
We're 20 minutes in. How do you feel?
It's been quite rough. Is this the only stop? It's straight up.
Good. Great. 20 minutes in. Gotta take a poo. Then we're gonna keep going.
It's hard. It's true. I'm not gonna lie about it.
It's harder than I thought it was going to be. Very humbling. This is true.
This is true. Esmeralda.
I'm doing wonderful. I'm actually doing so well, but as soon as I start hiking, I know I'm gonna muerte, die.
See.
We're eating. We're our second stop. Break time. It's 12:30 and we're eating lunch.
Time's flying.
See.
Yes.
Cheers.
Thank you.
And we're here at the entrance.
At the entrance.
Maybe 2 hours later.
At the entrance.
It's only the beginning.
Isabel spit her lunch rush me.
No, I'm not done with my
Rush me.
We are taking it slow.
You don't. Nobody say, "Are we ready?"
No
You
one
just
say
go
that.
if you're ready.
Hi guys. We just got word. Only 3.5 hours left. Period. And it's been 2 hours. And we have 3.5 left.
Halfway there.
Yes.
Then. Esmeralda.
We're doing so good. Oh.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Oh boy. Oh.
All right, so this hike is insane. I don't think any of us expected. What the heck? Look at the jungle. I mean, that's pretty cool. I'm feeling good. I felt better before, as you can hear. A little out of breath. Jordan's doing good. Ooh, sheesh, my bad. Yeah, it's a good day to have a great day.
It's just like, how we doing, vlog? Yo, we're on. We just got finished eating lunch. The trail is getting easier, not as steep. Not as steep as the beginning. More switchbacks, and like, look at this scenery.
We have an hour left of steep climb.
45 minutes left.
Yes.
That's like a downward.
We're basically so close. We're basically there.
That's so loud.
Do you have money for me, log woman? For water?
No. You're out?
Yeah. Well, no.
Oh.
I'm not a.
Log woman, that's funny.
Yes.
Like bird watching, but
Pine trees. I love.
and there's no big bears.
Camp.
Love you.
Love you. Bye. Here with Alison again and Cartier.
Oh, hey.
Cartier.
We're currently all stopped waiting for the rest of the squad to get to this point. Here with Lucy. Death is upon us. Can't breathe. It's steep as heck. Apparently it gets flat in a little.
I think that's a lie.
Hi guys, here on the road again with Alison, Abby Clap, and Stick. Of course.
Stick is looking, look at, he's looking at the view.
Yes, he loves it.
He loves it here.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Everyone is a Saki. Yes. What do we do now?
Whoa! Whoa! That is so cool.
Lewis and I get like.
We're done.
Yes.
Now we're eating our chicken. Our leftover chicken.
Our leftover chicken.
Look at how yummy and delicious it is.
Mmm.
Leftover chicken.
It's phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Look, there's a volcano over there. Did you see?
Yes.
Also,
Hey.
I just took a huge bite in front of the camera. I'm like, wow. Welcome to my crib.
I saw
This is
it
my
happen
roommate
with
Fuego.
my own eyes.
And also my other roommates.
Back to them when we're done.
So they're not as
Or are we just carrying an empty Tupperware?
They're definitely not as cool.
See.
But I'm ready to make it work.
Hey guys, welcome to our crib.
Yes. Oh, hey. Welcome to my crib. Let me show you a tour.
These are our beds, and it smells horrible. Like so bad, but we're here and it's beautiful. Can't complain.
Quite bonita.
Yes.
That's your
What college and what are you?
I'm going to Touch Fox University.
Really?
We're cold. Hi everyone. They're cooking. Awesome. They're cooking our pasta. Oh, there's smoke in my eyes. Hi everyone. Zach and I are dying. The smoke keeps going in our eyes.
My eyes hurt so bad right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, time for a little update. That was hot. That was nice. Okay, so we made it to the top of we made it to the base camp of acatenango.
Hey guys. We finished dinner and we were exhausted. So we're going to bed. Right now we're peeing though. We're peeing in the woods.
No. Ain't no woods.
Just woke up and it's only 10:20 and we went to bed at like what 7:30. But everyone is up because you can see the volcano erupting. And the lava is awesome. And the stars are awesome. Anyways, we're all going back to bed. Bye. This is so awesome. Look. What the? We're above the clouds and look. Miss Girl is going off. Good morning, everyone. Hi. It's like 6 a.m. We got up to look at this beautifulness. Above the clouds, indeed. Good morning from the top of the volcano. It's a lovely morning. So excited to go home. Yes. To have warm beds. Yes. In a shower. Yes. Hi everyone. Here with Alison and Kirsten.
Hey.
We just got handed breakfast.
It's an egg sandwich.
Egg Sammy.
Hey guys. It's morning.
6:45.
6:46. That thing just went off.
See.
His name's Fuego. We made it through the night.
Now we have our egg and bread sandwiches.
You guys summoned last night, right?
The eggs are seasoned to perfection. Couldn't be better. We're gonna plummet down. Is that a word?
No.
Plummet down? I don't know.
That's the end of it. And there it goes for the last thing.
See.
All right. Alaska. See you later, Gators.
Good morning. Allie and I are going to take our final pee. However, it's light outside, so we don't know where to go. Hi everyone. Hey guys. We're waiting to leave.
Welcome to the end of our camping experience.
See, we're all packed up.
We're gonna hike down.
Probably run. Have you guys? Hi everyone. We've begun our descent. Whoa. Hi everyone. Alison. Yes, I'm going. It's been like 30 minutes and we're at the point where we're just running. Everyone is slipping. We'll probably die. Bye. Hi everyone. Here with Abby Clapp and Alison. Hi. We just sprinted down for like
Probably
15 minutes. My fall count is at 3.
Mine's at 2.
Yeah, girl, Allie.
No fall.
Hi everyone.
Hey guys.
Hey, Thomas.
You have more friends.
Hey.
Yes.
How do you
Hayden and
feel?
Cardi B.
Oh, great.
Fabulous.
That's a run of some more, it looks like.
Yes, downhill.
Here's the squad. Everyone say hey.
Hey, hi, how are you? Don't eat it, please.
Hey, toss it. Hey, look. So there's Ave. Real slippery time. That's the tree right there, Avery. Oh. Going now. Bye. Slippery steps, slippery steps.
Nice snag.
Carter, I did not. Not yet, at least.
Battle
See,
wounds, baby.
the barbed wire got us.
Mr. Carter.
I didn't fall, so that's good. Steps.
Nice snag.
Carter, I did not. Yes, you did. My butt just.
Look at these knees. This kid fell.
No.
This kid fell.
I.
Hi everyone, we're finishing.
The lady was
Finishing the hike.
See,
This is the last like 20 minutes,
yeah,
depending on how fast we
hopefully.
go. Maybe 30.
Stopping for that long did not help the legs.
Our muscles are cold and achy.
Yes.
Legs shaking.
Yes. Guys,
You
everyone,
won't believe what happened.
we made it.
Elfine.
Alpine. Finished.
Thanks for that.
Hi everyone.
Hi, guys.
It's now the day after. Today is Saturday. And we're at debrief currently. Legs don't move. But it was so worth it. And
Yes.
yeah. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. And we will see you next time.
Yep. Bye.